Uno a Chev, frame jobbers nowadays, you know, remember, you know. You TikTok lawyer, you know. I try frame jobbers, you know. And bring up Peter Gay. So, who the fuck is Peter Gay? Uno need to bring up, uno need to tell the people them, who's Peter Gay when I try to frame jobbers with from them time there. That uno need to talk about, they come talk about my life. What do you mean, my liar? You're bright, eh? You're bright. The past, a place my liar, woman.
Listening, you just want your Chevy talk. Because,
yeah, like I was saying,
because when Chevy caller was in the hardware, and I told Chevy, I said I am in the...
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. Minute upon the details can see upon on the screen. One bag of thief allegedly. Put in the comment section where you think about that, because it's no lie. We can't deny the facts that Jake's messed up. He involved himself with a bag of people he didn't even know. And now he's feeling it on social media. People calling him scammer left, right, and center. And the people in his circle is, whoa. You know, I mean, you already know Chev changed her name back to Chev and is no longer first lady of Jake's and them thing them. One bag of thing. Boy, people, it actually know. Yeah, I know they're exposing TikTok lawyer as one man. You see what I said? Because them saying they're trying to get back at Rosealee. And through them said Jake is not as fast as other people. One bag of thing. So now Jake is out there clearing his name. So we're going to hear from Jake, Sassy P, and we're going to hear from Chevy at the end. So let's like and share the video from now. And let's see what go on for that to go on. You see me?
Some people want something. Yeah. Come on.
Careful, brother. Careful, bro. I come talk about and Peter Gay I force as him liar and Jakes I scam the people there. I think who name Peter Gay? You no need to come prove to TikTok who is Peter Gay, because I only bring her up on TikTok the first time. I only bring her up back. So you need to tell the people them who is Peter Gay. Yo, are your friend them TikTok like they bring up Peter Gay the first time, pan Jabas. So where is Peter Gay? I mean I try to bring her back again. Uno a Chev, frame jobbers nowadays, you know, remember, you know. You TikTok lawyer, you know. I try frame jobbers, you know. And bring up Peter Gay. So, who the fuck is Peter Gay? Uno need to bring up, uno need to tell the people them, who's Peter Gay when I try to frame jobbers with from them time there. That uno need to talk about, they come talk about my life. What do you mean, my liar? You're bright, eh? You're bright. The past, a place my liar, woman. I can't believe it's Sassy. Sassy, I just Sassy the dance, you know. You know, go around, you know. A Sassy me respect, a Sassy me rate. I just can't believe I should make, you know, brainwash and arms house, brother, and stupidness. But Jakes and Peter Gay come to scam the internet. Who is Peter Gay? Since we bring her up again, we need to dig up that file there and bring her up to the world, to the light. Like how you have to be about here check out my money. Come, Jesus Christ. She's up on her lap about. I'm going to tell Jakes, I'm going to check his money, you know. And I told Jakes that I check his money. You check my money? All you need to do, a complete jobbers case. Complete jobbers case with Peter Gay, that's what I'm talking about. You need to complete jobbers case with Peter Gay. Remember, you have Peter Gay number. Call Peter Gay. You have Peter Gay number. Call Peter Gay. Sassy. Sweet and Sassy, just calm down. And remove the people in front of your meditation, bro. Remove the people in front of your meditation. Is it? Well, Peter gay. Do man have to show me all our blouse and skirt license again? Do man have to show me all our license again? Come on, man. I want you with me, like when people question my loyalty, you know. And just show me a fair reason and the reason, don't matter cut our license and show me again. Carefully here, sir. Do man call people and I ask the people then what kind of work should you just to make me hear what the people have to say. Listen, man, I don't want nobody to question my loyalty. You don't do that. Yeah. Don't do that. Don't do that, brother.
And now let's listen to Sassy leak Chev's voice note. Yes, people, serious thing.
Did only a girl. Me tell you, say if you come live with a receipt them. Can me print out for me them. Cash and Zelle. For you come with your receipt, Sky. And show me name by name. Because guess what, no girl, let's just see if you prop up my head. Me go up a Staples and pull out everything and come with every blood clot body information and hold up it on my camera so I know make everybody see everybody name, you know. Me tell you if you come with a receipt, Sky. Leave me alone. Come in a back down. Me will take Greg for a long time, Sky, and you can't manage me. Trust me. You can't cuss dirty word and tell man to put them out under you and drain blood in your mouth. Me no run them the joke the Sky. Me no thief. Nobody no owe you no obligation to explain shit to your, Sky. Learn that. So listen, me borrow the things over there, sir. No TikTok money, no buy. So when I was in the hardware yesterday, guys, I'm sorry, but I can't take off the super fan shit off of my thing. I'm sorry, I don't know how we company me that try subscribe and super fan and I can't take it off. When I was in the hardware, Chevy rang my phone. Your ear says she want to talk, right? Me tell her, say when the phone go blank, I'm me a talk. When it go blank, I'm me a talk because I screen record. Listening, you just won't hear Chevy talk. Because,
yeah, like I was saying,
because when Chevy called, I was in the hardware. And I told Chevy, I said I am in the hardware. May I look a box for pack my barrel. So she hear when me I talk to the hardware man and everything. Because I was looking at box at Home Depot. One of them big box there. Yeah, because I can't bother send 2 and 3 barrel. Me just want to put everything in one jumbo box. Alright. Because I not only food, me I send other things too.
When you say things out loud, and the more that I was saying the things that I'm saying out loud, is the more it's making sense to me. Now, what I now believe is that Jakes has told you what you've come and said, but he's told you in a way, and you may have added on. Yeah? Another thing, because 2 things can be true. I believe that Jakes has allowed you to say and do the things that you are doing, or you believe that you can say and do the things then because of the conversations that you and him have been having. So basically, no, that's fine. We're having a conversation, a grown people conversation right now, respectful conversation. You get me? So, for example, when I got the screen recording on the live, because I did see you live, it did come up on my FYP when you come live and was, talking about yellow and whatever. I came in and it's not everything Sassy. No, you see, when it's negative or I feel like something is negative, it's not everything that is negative I draw to. You understand? So I came in the live and I left. Yeah? Later on in the night, I should say, somebody sent me a screen recording. I was like, what the fuck is this? When I clicked it, I tell people already, especially people that are close to me, if you see things, please, for my own mental health sake, don't send it to me, because you see what I'm in the ear, not hurt me. Right. You understand? So even with things that are to do with me and conversations that may be had about me on lives and things, because guess what? We're all on social media.
Hey, hon.
Put in the comment section what you're thinking so far. So now let's listen to what Chev have to say about this whole ordeal.
Me say why you ride on this $9,000 something when
Like
time
you don't,
even was
like you don't get it.
come to
Do you not
9,000.
understand what I'm saying? Sky, you understand what I'm saying? Anybody else understand what I'm saying? Even though Jake came and clear
I
it.
said no, I understand what you said no, Chevy, but me I said before when
Oh, okay.
I understand what you were saying about this $9,000. I was like, why don't drop it, because the man don't clear your name already.
Right, I was fine with him clearing my name. However, when people around him are still making it sound like there's something going on with this
Yeah, but
9,000.
just a create a bad image for him, like him never clear your name. So that's why they
No,
keep
that's
saying
not what
what.
I'm doing. No, because remember,
Order in the court, Shay, who me understand everything what Chevy has say. If Sassy come live this morning and talk about $9,000 again, she have all right to clear her name. And Chevy, thank you so much. Give me a minute, Shay, who I'm speaking. Chevy, thank you so much. Come post that piece of picture there and make lawyer go live and make we know say Peter Gay is Jake's lawyer, because they know all along and we didn't know, and I think that is unfair. Lawyer, me don't know if you're guilty like what the people them say, but let's be real for a minute. You know when me go through, when Macy go through a lot. Maybe mother not go talk, but me I talk. Only pa transgender turn against mother. Me and mother, we get it. Mother get it. And if you find out, say, that victim is a liar for Drex, you should wait till Chevy come post one piece of paper to tell you we think we the people deserve. You need not to be no drama or nothing with you and Chevy for you find out that. Remember, you understand me? I come from chat. You need not to wait till no war a go on. Serious thing that. Yeah, I don't know if me alone feel how I feel, but you need not to wait till no war. The moment you find that out, you should just like how everything out there, you should just put it out there and make you know say and make we hear advice and make that should have kept that from we. So
Anyways, like Sassy put the liar pan a call where TikTok liar did depend, but the liar never know. And when the liar talk, TikTok liar say, oh, advice the sound like Peter Gale. So and TikTok liar said the moment you open her mouth, the liar hang up. And TikTok liar said she couldn't believe she have to go contact one of her friend and say, listen advice here. Who it sound like? And them say Peter
you
Gale.
keep repeating over the same thing.
That mean a Jake's a the scammer.
oh Jake,
A Jake's a the scammer.
You know, I don't believe it. I don't know why. I believe Peter Gay is up to something. Better Jakes never know either. Peter Gay is trying to get back to Rosealee for I don't know what. And that is what I think.
me this
No, she want to get back to Rosealee. Where Rosealee do her?
me can't
Me not say
Because
that.
of what Rosealee
say.
said. Rosealee went back to it. No man, yes, Peter Gay went back to lawyer and tell her that Rosealee wanted. Yeah, because
Everyone needs to mute because you look background is noisy. Noisy, mute your mic.
Because she said she asked somebody, and this person is so fucking much. between. This is what we talk is between us. This puzzled me so much because guess what happened? She said Jakes had the courthouse. Before she said Jakes at the police station, I got the fingerprint. Then she said Jakes did this so. But we know said Jakes did on the road anyhow. She said that she asked somebody to run Jake's record before him do the fingerprint. Them saying I have 3 records. One when in that 13 with a gun charge, one who didn't even take for Rosealee and the uncle when he said the chop, and one other one. The other one I did go again. Remember, one other one, but 3 charges against him. Anyhow, she said she had to get rid of the record because she tried to give him a clean record. Clean record. She said the person wanted $160,000 to remove the record. We know they have to pay to remove it because some people are Jamaican, I know people don't pay to remove the record after they buy $160,000. And she said, out of all of this, we don't retain her, and she wants her money. She wants some money, so if I have $25,000 with a gear, he said, fine. $185,000, I sent it to lawyer. Lawyer said, Mr. Lawyer never needed help. He tell lawyer everything, right? Because lawyer know when to chat, she know when to go. I'm going to tell her the truth. Okay, and you're no bad name when it comes to certain things. I'm going to tell her the truth. Lawyer said, the other day, when the $70,000, lawyer made the $500 on her platform. Listen me clearly. The girl said she's gonna use this money and do a protective order against Rosealee. So right now, a protective order is in process. We don't bring it out, they're out Chevy, and we don't want it out. Jake's already go give a statement. You're going to tell you a protective order. She said a protective order is more than a cease and desist. But they're not going to court. So, lawyer said, I am not going to try to get this money from my people, and you're not going to click your life and make any money until this paper is served.
You hear? Me not tell no lie.
On Rosealee, then we can start. And we have to prove that Jeff is going to court too, to follow up with this. Because Rosealee now, but he already gave the statement. But you still can't drop out.
You can still retract.
Yes. But so the girl now take the money they will liar say, and that is what the money do. Liar said, look here, I have to be transparent. She sent me a receipt. I'm a glasses. I can't say what glasses in my shirt. I can't really look glasses. Tell me that the part and the light. My little fucking bag. She sent me a receipt, and I'm gonna be honest and send you a copy. I don't know why, but never be transparent to you. She sent me a receipt, and she said, this is a receipt where you can show to lawyer, because lawyer love fucking proof. And lawyer not play around with her name. She said, I'm not with my integrity parlor. Every fucking thing I want proof of. She have to send them on the proof as something come. And I am not going to click my line where I can search for it. The camera clip. Somebody walk out to the camera clip. Somebody walk. She said, I am not going to click my live and make no money until when you see all that.
Which is right. Which is right.
I look for it. She not wrong lie. She say no. She say I'm not gonna go beg my people no money until when. And all I am begging Jakes to do is just to be transparent. So when Jakes makes money, this boy go trick somebody and take the money to blood clot and lie. So she not.
But how do you even make that? How do you even make something like that happen, Sassy? Because I'm starting to think. I wonder if Jakes is on the spectrum.
I look on the receipt me send you. That's the receipt where she send me say she take out the restraining she had the order protective against Rose and whatever and November 3rd. Lawyer said me now beg no money until when this done, Rosealee got court. So he has 3 records that needs to be cleaned. And she said she have to pay for it, to clear your record, and then she have to make him the fingerprint. But she want $185,000 for 160 for this money and 125 for she. I'll know we never come beg a lawyer. Say me nah beg nothing until this part go through the parlor. Hold your gun. So guess what? Things like this, I know I'm gonna bring it on the media and nobody can know. It's just because you come clean to me right now and clear, why I'm gonna tell you this. So him have 3 records.
But he said this to me the other day because he told me that he went to the court and he told me about the protection order.
Yes.
He told me about it. He told me that that's what he was on the road doing the day. Just after he dropped off Shanta from school to school. And he was walking to school with her. He went down to the courthouse and whatever. Yeah. But something isn't right about this woman.
Yeah. So lawyer said on top of that, now we gonna look protective order money for clear record and turn on and beg. She said, Paula, something right. She said, people could get tired of it. We have to know what we are doing with TikTok people, then we chat with. And that is what lawyer said. She said, we chat.
Remember, this is what I've been saying to him. I said, babe, listen to me. And I'm only giving you advice. I'm not telling you what to do. This is how I always approach Andrew. Yeah? I am not telling you what to do. I'm just giving you advice. The other day, I hear you beg for, well, I don't even want to say beg, but the other day I'm hearing you asking the people to help you support for the baby's birthday. I call him the baby, yeah? The baby's birthday, Barbar's birthday. It's not, you could have do that November, end of November, his birthday is the 22nd of December.
It's not crucial right now.
It's not crucial right now. You already are asking for this so much.
Baba can celebrate your birthday next year. Fuck that.
You're already asking for so much. If you are not able to do the little things in life, then I'm going to say you're not capable of being a parent. You're not see them something here.
And the same thing we're going to try. Because, let me tell you something. Chevy. It's a liar. Tell about liar. Liar smart. You see, and this is why you see me, I want to get to the bottom of this. Before we blow the whistle. And I'm going to tell you, I'm expecting to hold it. I think that the girl is phony.
I do believe so too. From the first instance, because all of a sudden you just start promise the world.
Lawyer said the girl is phony. Alright.
She promised the apartment, she promised the car. She said one promised the car now.
Let me tell you something. I don't know how long it's on TikTok. If you see when I hear the word Rosealee and lie, them talk about one girl named Peter Gay. Did you hear that the story then?
No.
Alright. The whole Peter Gay story is Rosealee and Jabas in a war. So when everybody says Rosealee and Jabas, some people say, Rosealee and Jabas in a war. Big or dirty war. Rosealee come up on a television and raping my stepsister, which is true. Really? In their court for it. The John comes when we're raping stepsister. Then Rosealee come up with this girl now and say, this girl reached out to her and I said, Rosealee started everything. Rosealee said, this girl reached out to her and said, Jabas raped her when she got kid. Jet to you holiday. Rosealee get Liar, Sky Diamond, Macy. Lawyer, Sky Diamond, Macy. The three of them in night and Rosealee together. All of them together, four of them with the girl. Lawyer them take up the case now and start do whatever. Then the girl leave a sentence and the girl must get scared. Lawyer them the middle of the night. I'll just expose them about it. Drive, go pick up the girl and go put the girl in a place of safety.
Which lawyer? When you say lawyer, which lawyer?
TikTok lawyer.
TikTok lawyer. So TikTok lawyers in Jamaica?
No, them still buy some man. Them still buy some program Rose.
Oh, right? So Jake's okay, yeah.
Them program Rose and whatever. I mean, if you shape Jake's out, we go pick up the girl. Listen, me, don't say me no why you blow the blood clot gun because we have to get to the bottom of this. So hold your gun, do not say nothing because lawyer think this girl we are trick with is Peter Gay. Because when lawyer hear the girl, lawyer says blood clot Peter Gay this. And we had a debate about it last night with our moderator and she said Peter Gay this year. So every time when we try to draw the girl, but first she said, Sassy, I do not want to be in a call with TikTok lawyer because I have a repetition. So I add up on a call with TikTok lawyer. When she gave me TikTok lawyer, TikTok lawyer on the phone and she said, oh, hi guys, my name, then she never changed her mouth from Kadian. So like she said, hi guys, my name is Mishka or something like that. And then the girl jumped. Then when she said her phone service broke. Me other against somebody power can she hear liar much jump. A liar say me want hear the girl talk. This is blood clot.
So what's gonna happen? Where is TikTok liar? I know she probably don't want to talk to me, but me and her are gonna talk, and me, I go call the liar and record her and bring it come back.
Me can't call her to because me and her can't call her. Me don't know if she don't come on a call with me and you right now. Because me have her number. Me have WhatsApp.
I have her number as well. She called me. I have her other number too, because the number where Jakes have is the number where Jakes have is not the number where I have.
Well, I know. Here, our TikTok liar fuck it up yesterday. TikTok liar up on the live was saying those things that the liar girl lie to his Peter gay. It look like the girl here, she don't call me for a morning, because normally every morning she call me. Hi, Miss Sassy, whatever. Me I go say she go answer me, Chevy. Me I go join her and call it me. We now go say nothing. Me just go say, hear me. I should have called her by me own and ask about the 9,000.
Yeah, put in the comment section where you think about that. No, people, we're not going longer. This is not longer because we have more update on the story to give you Rosealee and a whole bunch of other things, because we have some serious people business that release later, you know. So that's like and share the video from now. Subscribe to all of my channels and hit the notification bell. You see me? Bless.